This is a 2009 Dodge Challenger, a car that begs to be driven. It has an 8-cylinder engine and a 6-speed manual transmission. Its top features include keyless go, a power sunroof, heated front seats, a low tire pressure indicator, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a leather-wrapped shift knob, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a passenger side vanity mirror, front fog lights, an anti-lock braking system, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has fewer than 61,000 miles on the odometer. This Dodge has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Get the Darrow difference today, only at Russ Darrow Kia Chrysler Jeep Dodge, Madison.